welcome to the R&R Network. I'm Roger. This is over there, and today we're doing part of the eating and talking series. Sorry, the lens is over here. So we're doing part of the eating and talking series, and we're going to introduce the eating part. It's a dessert bar, Mexican, I think, from Mexico. This is the pineapple coconut, and one bar has 140 calories. This is what we'll be eating while talking. So let's get this set up and let's eat and talk. Okay, so we're gonna start the eating and talking series. What I'm gonna do is eat my fruit pop dessert bar, and we're gonna ask ChatGPT to ask us some questions. Whoa, Momo, or maybe Lisa, can you assist? Oh. Okay, so ChatGPT is speaking Japanese, and I was talking to Lisa actually, and ChatGPT overheard and basically answered the question. So ChatGPT gave me a question. ChatGPT asked me, "What's your favorite fruit?" I'm gonna say right now it's gonna be a pineapple, like because I just had some today. So, okay, ChatGPT, もう一つの質問お願いします。So, I'm dripping all over myself. Gross. No. ChatGPT is annoying. Yeah, my favorite memory as a child would be that's a good. That would be playing outside until late in the evening with my friends playing wiffle ball or something ball or football or basketball. It was hot and we were dirty, but we were having fun until late in the evening. So that's my favorite memory. So ChatGPT, give me an interesting question. Last one. So ChatGPT, I asked ChatGPT for an interesting question, and the question was, if you could go to the future or the past, where would you go and what would you do? Yeah. So, yeah, ChatGPT off. Yeah. So, if I could go anywhere in time, I'd like to go to the future. The past, you kind of have an idea what's going on, but I'd like to go 100 years in the future. Just that seems like a good number, and see where technology is and people. So, any. So, yeah, anywhere, any country, it doesn't matter, but that's what I would do. So, anyways, we're gonna stop here. My ice cream bar is melting, so I'm gonna have to chew it down. So this is the eating and talking series, and oh, we are.